We're going to learn how to complete the squares today. You need to know the skills when you convert the standard form of quadratic trinomials into vertex form. First thing you have to understand is the relationship between the squared form and the extended form. So now we're going to use the FOIL strategy, FOIL method to find the product of these. And let's see the relationship between the numbers. So pause the video and I need you to find the product. Here is the product of each squared form. We're going to think about the numbers highlighted in orange, green, and blue, and we're going to think about how they're related. So from orange, think about how are they related between orange and green. Here you go. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. We see that the numbers in green, it's double the number highlighted in orange. So if I want to generalize, so I can use it for any number, then I can just, have x plus 8, the whole thing squared. So we know that the green part is going to be just doubled that a. And let's think about the relationship between the orange and blue. The orange and blue, to get the number highlighted in blue, you have to square the oranges. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared. So if you have a, we know that the last expression is going to be a squared. So I'm going to highlight it the same color. The questions in this topic, the green part, only green part will be given. So this is our green part, right? And our final goal is to have squared form. So we want to have squared form because it's easy to find the vertex. So let's think about the relationship between the orange and green, right? If you want to put everything back to the squared form, when you have -10, what number is going to be in the orange, in the squared form? You just take half of it, which is -5. You just keep the sign. If it's negative, negative. If it's positive, then it's going to be positive. So this is our final goal. And to get here, we got to think about what number you need to complete the square. So we know that, we are going to have 5 in the squared form. To make that happen, we need to add a number, right? Add a number, which is highlighted in blue. And we have to think about the relationship between the orange and blue. Whoops. Here you go. Orange and blue. Whatever the number you have in the square form, you square that to have the number highlighted in blue. So we're going to square this guy. 5 squared, which is 25, right? But you can't change that function as you want. So what we have to do is we have to undo the change that you just made. We had originally had 19, but you got to get rid of this. You got to get rid of this plus 25. So I'm going to undo it by subtracting it. So 25 minus 25, technically nothing happened. But we need this plus 25 to complete the square. So now this part is going to be x minus 5, the entire thing squared. And now simplify the rest. 19 minus 25, which is -6. So if you have this factored form, if you have this vertex form, not the vector form, if you have this vertex form, then you can just find the vertex right away, which is 5 and -6. Compared to the standard form, it's hard to find the vertex right away. So this is about completing the squares, and I hope you understand the relationship between the numbers here, and I hope this helps to understand about completing the squares.